Yeah. Yeah, that's the video I'm going to post with this one. And the more I watch it, the more I think he's literally just doing the same thing I am. I think he's like sitting at his window, at his like kitchen table, recording a video for his class. So yeah, it's kind of weird. All right, today's lesson, it's inequalities with multiplication and division. There's one thing we need to make sure we're watching out for that makes it different than solving an equation. Okay, let's look at our first example. You have 6x less than 30. So what it's saying is 6 times something is less than 30. 6 times what? It could be multiple things. Because we have this, it's going to be multiple things. Now, the 6 is interacting with the x through the 6 is interacting with the x through what kind of math? It's multiplication. You don't see an addition sign, you don't see a subtraction sign, and you don't have a fraction indicating division. So, opposite of multiplication is division. So you need to divide by 6. And if you do it to the left side of the inequality now, you have to do it to the right side of the inequality. So both sides get divided by 6. So both sides get divided by 6, and I'm going to do this nicely today. Getting rid of that one. But you have to do the same thing over here. 30 divided by 6 is what? 5. Very good. So you end up with x is less than 5. X is anything less than 5. It can't be 5 though, because this does not equal. This does not say equal 5, because 6 times 5 would be 30, and 30 is not less than 5. But if you put in 4, 6 times 4 is 24. Yeah, 6 times 4 is 24. 24 is less than 30, so that works. Now, for that thing I've been telling you about. Yeah, if you can't tell, I did some video editing because I made a mistake and I didn't want to record the whole thing. But for part number 2, now this is where our magic trick comes into play. I have -2 times x is greater than 8. So I'm going to solve it without changing it, without doing what I'm supposed to do to prove that I need to do what I have to do. I know this is great television when I do this, but get over it. Okay, so I have to divide both sides by 2 because the -2 is interacting with the x through multiplication, so the opposite of that is division. Divide both sides by -2. I end up with x is greater than 8 divided by -2, -4. Very good. Remember, 1 negative in the answer, 1 negative in the question. So, without doing what I was supposed to do, which I will reveal, which you probably already know, you end up with x is greater than -4. So let's pick a number greater than -4. Remember, you are going up the number line. I'm down past 0 at -3. I need to go up. So let's just pick -3. Okay, so -2 times -3 is 6. 6 is not greater than 8. So that's why you have to, when you are multiplying with, keyword with, not into, with a negative number. If you are dividing or multiplying with a negative number, you have to flip the inequality sign. Flip the inequality sign. So now this says x is less than -4. Remember, we're at a negative, so less than is lower than that. So I'm below 0, I got to keep going down. So I'm going to go down to -5. So my example is -5. -2 times -5 is +10, and 10 is greater than 8, and that's why that works. Okay, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to splice it into 2 videos because they're super long already for the division part. Oh, and that will have the shout outs on it.